To Jamb 2012 Economics Past question number 31. If a basket of commodities cost 120 naira in the base year and 240 naira in the current year, calculate the price index. Option A says the price index is 100, B says 200, C says 240, and option D says 300. Now, price index PI is equals to price in the current year over price in the previous year times 100 over 1, so which is equals to 240 over 120 times 100 over 1, which is equals to the price index is 200. Option B is the correct answer. Please, thank you and subscribe for more past questions.